So why this structure? I was looking for an easy and understandable way to explain you why this structure makes sense, and I found a good video in Facebook's official help which I want to share with you. So what we will do now is we open Google and we will search for how to structure your Facebook ads campaign. And we find what we are searching for as the first result here. What I want you to do now is not reading this text on this page, but watching the video. So pause this course, watch the video on Facebook's official help, and come back to this course. Does the structure here now already makes a bit more sense to you? In the upcoming projects, we will create several campaigns with different marketing objectives. So after finishing this course, you will be completely familiar with the Facebook ad structure. We are now on the first page where we choose our campaign and our objective. So the page starts with a simple question. What is your marketing objective? And while this is just a simple question, it means a lot, and it's basically the core of what we're doing. So prepare yourself to see this question more than once in this course. What I want to mention at this point is Facebook is changing a lot. So what can happen is you see one function I have which you don't have, or the other way, there's a new function which you have but I don't have here yet. I will always try to keep this course up to date. However, if it happens that you find a button or a function which you can't find in my course, but you want to know instantly what it means, just search for it. Use Google search, use Facebook's official help, and usually you find the answer. However, I would appreciate a short message from your side so I can always make sure this course is up to date and not missing anything. Under the question, what's your marketing objective, we find 3 different categories. We have awareness, we have consideration, and we have conversion. You can think of your marketing objective as what sets the template for your ad set and for your ad creation. So depending on what objective you choose, you will get a different set of options that are best suited to that goal. To learn more about the objective you choose, just hover your mouse on them and you find a small info button which tells you more about the objective. To give you an example how these templates can be different, let's compare brand awareness and reach. So let's first click on brand awareness. We don't have to type in any campaign name, we just continue. Now we are in the section ad set, and let's scroll down and let's click on show advanced options. And here you can see you get charged for impressions, and optimization for ad delivery is ad recall lift. This means Facebook is optimizing the ad delivery towards people who will remember that they have seen your brand and your ad campaign. On the other side, let's go back to the objective and we click on reach, continue. We scroll down and we are again seeing the advanced options, and in this case optimization for ad delivery changed towards reach. Further, you can choose how often your audience should be able to see your advertisement. So let's say I would target you with this advertisement, so once in 7 days you would see this advertisement here. Let's go back to campaign objective. So I hope with this short demonstration it's more clear what I mean with different templates. So depending on the objective you have, Facebook will help you with these different templates to optimize your workflow to reach this goal. Let's have a deeper look in the different objectives. Therefore, we first should understand what these different categories, awareness, consideration, and conversion mean. Awareness are objectives that generate interest in your product or service. When using consideration, you have objectives that get people to start thinking about your business and look for more information about it. And last, we have conversions, which are objectives that encourage people interested in your business to purchase or use your product or service. To make this a bit more clear, imagine these 3 different categories as a funnel. At the beginning, what you need is awareness, so people actually must know you exist as a brand and as a product or as a service. Second, you want your product or service to be considered as a possible choice. So let's say we have KFC, we have McDonald's, and we have Burger King. Thinking about fast food and just grabbing something to eat, all of these brands want to be considered as a possible choice. And last we have the conversion, so your audience is close to buying your product. All you have to do is basically encourage them to buy your product, give them some more insights or the last trigger to finally buy it. While most of the objectives here should be clear by just hovering over them and reading the information, be aware that the templates will change once you choose different objectives. One more objective I want to show you is engagement. Clicking on it, you will find 3 different sub-objectives you can choose from. So you have post engagement, page likes, and event responses. Post engagement is similar to boosted post, which we already did, where you can boost posts on your page. Then we have page likes to increase the likes on your page, obviously. And we have event responses to promote your event on your Facebook page. And while most of the objectives you will meet over this course, I will quickly explain you catalog sales and star visits. The catalog contains a list, so-called data feeds, of all the products that should be advertised. This is useful for larger online e-commerce stores where they have a lot of products in their store and can't upload every product individually. They can use these catalog sales and upload all the data at once. With store visits on the other side, this is interesting for businesses with multiple business locations where they want to promote their business to people nearby. If you only have one store and want to promote this store, this objective will not be the right choice. At a later point of this course, we will actually have an example looking how to promote a local store. What I want you to do next is pausing this video and looking through the different objectives. Read the info button and try to understand each of them. If anything is not clear, try to use the Facebook help. And if this still couldn't answer your questions, feel always free to go back to this course community and ask a question you don't understand. However, you should know that most of the objectives you find here we will use in the real-life challenges.